This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check your current launcher version and operating system so you download the correct installer. Back up your saves and important profiles now, copying the Minecraft or game folder to a separate location. Once saved, close the Minecraft app and any background launcher processes in Task Manager or Activity Monitor. This prevents file locks. Now, proceed to the official download that matches your OS and architecture, and prepare to run the installer as administrator. You run the downloaded native launcher installer with elevated permissions so it can replace system-level files. During the installer, choose the same install path used previously to keep your saves and mods intact. This minimizes migration steps. Make sure to allow it to update binaries and libraries, and watch for prompts about overriding files. Decide to keep current configs if you customized settings. Once the installer completes file operations, open the launcher briefly to let it finalize components and download runtime. You finish by logging into your account and launching a test world to confirm the update worked and settings carried over. Check mods and resource packs for compatibility with the updated runtime. Update or remove incompatible mods as needed. If the launcher fails to start, clear its cache, reinstall the launcher in clean mode, or restore your backup copy of the game folder. One key troubleshooting tip: if crashes persist, run the launcher with the bundled Java runtime to rule out external Java version conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.